Hello, my friends. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology IQ. Today, we are going to look at relationships and population dynamics. So without wasting any time, let us go to our quiz. Comment on the relative size of an individual producer and an individual primary consumer in a pyramid of numbers. Producers are larger, or we can say consumers are smaller. What is a predator? An animal which kills and eats another animal for food. What does an ecologist mean by competition? When two or more organisms fight for a resource that is in a short supply. What term is used to describe an animal that is killed and eaten? Prey. True or false? Competition is generally more intense between members of the same species than between members of different species. It is true. Suggest possible effects of the disappearance of a plant species on the populations of other plants and animals in the ecosystem. Consumers of this plant may decrease. Secondly, numbers of other plant species may increase. And third, new species may appear to fill the niche. What is contest competitions? One organism loses the resource. What term do ecologists use to describe an animal which kills and eats other animals. Predator. If the population of prey declines, suggest two possible consequences for the predator. Starvation or death may occur. Migration, there can be decline in population, and they might change food source. What is scramble competition? It's where each organism gets some of the resources. Apart from competition, state another factor that limits population growth. Diseases, parasitism, food availability, and pollution. Give an example of predation by naming a predator and its prey. Fox is a predator and chicken is its prey. Then we have the hawk as a predator and a rabbit the prey, and many other. Where one organism lives in or on the second species, feeding on it and causing it harm is called parasitism. Name a factor other than competition that controls wild populations. There are diseases, parasitism, predation, and hunting. Mortality levels resulting from infection by a particular virus tends to decline over years. Why? Because host immunity develops, there can be natural selection, and then also vaccination. Marking an animal might endanger it. Why? Because it becomes more conspicuous to predators. There can be social outcast, and then also the marker may be toxic. Suggest a role for parasites in the overall scheme of nature. Population control. Name a predator and give one adaptive technique. The predator is the fox, and adaptive techniques, it has speed and it has sharp canine teeth. Suggest an effect on human population of an increased availability of contraception. There is decrease in population. There is improved social conditions and reduced sexually transmitted infections. All the members of a species living in an area is referred to as population. Give factors that influence the size of the human population. There is famine, birth control, wars, diseases, birth rate, death rates, longevity, and the degree of medical care. Mortality levels tend to be higher in the migratory animal species. Why? Because of the hazards encountered on migration. The population of a predator did not decline following a big reduction in the population of its main prey. Why? Because it has different prey. A relationship between two organisms in which both benefit is called mutualism or symbiosis. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for attending to Biology IQ. Today, we have been looking at relationships and population dynamics. Please let us meet again in other series of Biology IQ. Bye-bye for now.